In this video, I'm going to show you how to use keyboard on Apple Watch SE series. In SE series, here is no built-in keyboard, but we can use third-party keyboard like this. Now I'll show you how to get third-party keyboard. All you have to need, go to your iPhone and go to your App Store. In App Store, search for wrist board, and this is the free app we are going to use. So install this wrist board keyboard on your iPhone and also on your Apple Watch. If you install the app in your iPhone, the app will also automatically install on your Apple Watch. Make sure to go to your watch, tap on My Watch, scroll down, and here make sure your wrist board is installed here. Now go to your Apple Watch and press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, find out the wrist board keyboard and open it. And this is your keyboard. Now you can go ahead and easily type anything here, just like this. So it's little bit complicated to write something here because of our watch display size. How are you? And here is the question mark. Now all you have to need, just tap on send, and here you will find all supported app where you can send the message. I'm selecting the message, and here tap on add contact and go ahead and add a contact to send the message. And here we can see the message. Now just tap on send and the message will send. And if you go to the wrist board app again, if you tap on the settings, then you can change layout and you can adjust these settings for your keyboard. That's it for now.